Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can prepare and cook wild turkey. This video will actually be pretty short because there are only two things you need to do to prepare the meat, and you could do one or the other or both. I already made some videos about how to prepare and cook dove breast and wild rabbit, and the one thing I did in both of them was to brine the meat. So that is one thing you can do. And to brine it, all you have to do is boil some water. Then when it's boiling, add a lot of salt. And that's really the most important thing. Besides the salt, you could add any of these other things. I often add onions or carrots or sugar or fresh herbs such as bay leaves or rosemary or oregano. Right now, as you can see, I added rosemary, and once you do that, you can leave the water boiling for a little bit and then turn it off. I actually removed the rosemary pretty quickly because I could already smell it, and I didn't want it to have such a strong flavor because the turkey will take some of that flavor. So after that, the next step is chill the water. Do not put the meat in the hot water. You want to put it in the refrigerator, and when the water is cold, then you're going to add the meat. Now, I'm out here in Arizona camping in my fifth wheel, so I only brought one turkey leg, and this turkey is from my spring turkey hunt, and it's been in my freezer ever since. So I have to kind of make things work in a different way. So as you can see, it doesn't actually fit in the pot. It's a big thigh. So I'm using a Ziploc bag and just add the water in it. The main thing is that you want the meat to be completely immersed in the water, and this works for me. After that, you are going to leave it in the brine either overnight or at least 6 hours. Once you remove the meat, that's it. You can cook it. But when I made my turkey the first time a couple of years ago, I also put it in buttermilk. So that's another thing you can do. And you could do this without brining the meat, but might as well do both. So all you have to do is buy cultured buttermilk, and it really works if you put it in a Ziploc bag, let all the air out, so it's completely immersed in it, and then just put it in the refrigerator. Again, it could be overnight. I'm just leaving it in there for about 4 to 6 hours. And then when you take it out, you wash it, and you are ready to cook it, bake it. You can put it on the campfire, however you normally would cook turkey. This turkey will taste so much better. It will have so much more flavor, and it will be tender. It's not going to be dry just because it's wild, as long as you do this. Like I said, I'm out here in the wilderness in Arizona, so I'm going to make a campfire, and I'm going to cook that one turkey thigh over the fire, and I will prepare my sides on the stove inside, and then I'm going to have a Thanksgiving feast because today is Thanksgiving. However, you should not only eat turkey on Thanksgiving. I think it's a really good meal. You should try to embrace it throughout the year. And if you have a hunter friend that offers you some wild meat, whatever it is, now you don't have to shy away from it. You know how to prepare it, and you can enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.